Hey everybody, what's up? I hope everybody's having a pleasant evening. It is, let's see here, it is 4:23 p.m. Central Time. I am up here in Richfield, Wisconsin. I just dropped a load, which is going to be a relay to another driver that he's going to take it up to McKenzie, North Dakota, up here in Richfield, Wisconsin. So the thing is, every company is different on their Qualcomm, their messages, and how they do things. But with Millis, this is one thing that I've been wanting to show is, so I dropped a trailer. I didn't know, I sent my drop message, my drop trailer message here at the yard, and I didn't know exactly what trailer I was going to get, so I went ahead and sent it. So say you're bobtailed, say you're sitting here at the yard and they tell you to find a trailer. Okay, so you walk around, you find yourself an empty trailer. I'm going to show you what message to send as a Millis driver on our Qualcomm as you're a new student just trying to figure things out. So I'm going to show you something. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, so here's the Qualcomm. You're going to hit the home button. You're going to come in here and press messages. You're going to hit compose message. And then you're going to scroll down here to okay. So now you're going to scroll down to this message, macro 45, that says I am hooked to trailer number. You're going to click that, and now it's going to give you the trick. Now you need to punch in the trailer number, which I am hooked to trailer 17282, and hit this button, and then hit send, and then always hit yes. So yeah, so that's what, that's what you're gonna do when you get that, when you try to pick up an empty trailer or something like that.